Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. Today we're going to be continuing our R2 build with issue 5. We've got our parts set right here, so let's get started. Alright, so here are the components we received in this week's issue. We have the dome top plate, bearing retainer, the dome frame, and several screws and nuts. We will not be needing any of the pieces from previous issues for today. Alright, we're going to begin with these parts and two of the shorter silver screws. If you take this and your bearing, you just slide it in nice and straight, just like so. Take your bearing retainer and line it up with these screw holes here. And then use the two shorter silver screws to permanently affix the retainer. And by extension, fix the bearing in place. All right. For the next step, you'll want to take this, and this piece has, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little arrow embedded in it, and there's a little arrow on this piece. And you'll want to line those up, just like so. Alright, at this point, you'll want to take one of the little nuts and slide it into the hole here. It is keyed, so it should be easy to slide in. And take one of the longer silver screws, holding this in place. There we go, screw it right into the nut. Nice and tight. There we go. Then we repeat it in the other hole. And there you have it. That is all for issue 5. Now you may be wondering, what do I do with all these extra screws? Well, I found that a simple monthly pill planner is a great way to store excess screws and nuts. As you can see, you can keep everything nice and separate and organized, and you won't lose any. So there you have it, issue 5 complete. We're starting to build the dome. Well, that is exciting stuff right there. If you like this video, remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, and hit that little notification bell so you always know when we have a new video. We'll see you next week.